Greetings friends and welcome back on my channel in another episode of 300 series. Before we begin, I need to apologize everyone who saw my last episode. Yeah, episode 89. My computer had hiccups and did some nasty thing with that video during the compilation. So I upload only half of that episode somehow. Actually, I upload the whole episode, but at the end I discovered that the video file contained only half of that video. So I apologize everyone who saw that, and I re-upload that episode. Actually, I do compilation again and I upload the proper file. So now episode 89 should be okay, and the whole mostly. So, and with that episode you can see what I did at the end of previous recording when I goof up and bring iron plates instead of steel into this machine, and I fixed that off camera. So now we have production of this observation frame up and running. But I think I have a hunch that we will have problem with these pipes eventually, because given by the distance between this build and the production, yeah, pipes taking some tax. They can properly feed these assemblers. Yeah, they take some during the transport, so we need to fix that maybe with some pumps later. Now, however, actually, we have all these telescopes up and running, producing 3 different kinds of observation frames, which are bring into these machines, and these should provide us some data card. Actually, 4 types of data card. 3 are made from these separated builds, and the 4th one, it's combination of these 3. So in today's episode we need to hook up the blank data cards, because each of these needs blank data cards, put some filter on the output, okay, and hopefully design how I can do that. Maybe like that. So you will be filtering yes, scrap, and you will be filtering blank data card, junk data card actually. Okay, sorry, I lost myself for a while. So, and I hope we will be able to also design some computer setup to produce some astrometrical catalogs today, I hope. So give me these 2, and yeah, this power pole, you can do that over here. And then the same thing over here. With that now. This should bring all these. I don't know how much of junk data will produce each of these builds. Actually, not much at all. Yeah, this is below the 1 per second. So I think we don't need to do it like that right now. we can just use... Actually, put that back. Copy this thing, put it right over there. And replace everything with loader and active provider. I think this should be enough to deal with that. Robots can handle all that. So I will replace these. And over here. I hope all these builds provide outputting the same amount. Yeah, mostly the same. This will provide produce a little bit more junk data, but it's still not much. And I try to not use belts for a few items per minute. And of course I need to handcraft these boxes, right? Yes. Okay, now let's bring some blank data card into all these belts. And how I can do that? You can start over here and continue over there. Yes, this could be possible. It's a really tight, but it will work. And because we have all these in a line and with the radar in our way, it should be possible to bring the blank data cards only from top and feed all these machines like so. Okay. I am using feed because, you know, they are eating all these products, but actually I mean supply these machines. Okay, let's go quickly up here on the beginning of this mess and then jump from there to there and bring that belt over here. Now I will quickly flow through here, over there. Oh, why is this power pole over here? I don't know. And yes, okay, we have a roboport in our way, so I need to move this over here. Now I need to borrow some underground and definitely extend this belt. Also these two, because I want to see what I'm doing over here. Also we can extend these pipes like so. Yeah. It's becoming a really long bus. And it will be like 3 times longer, I think, at the end of this series. Okay, now let me remove that and borrow this part. Okay. And I think, yes, these are for white cards, actually for blank data cards, which are mostly needed in these type of belts. And after we start to producing some, I am really out of belt. Give me that part. If I turn off these robots, borrow 2 parts of this belt. Okay. Now. And eventually we need to drag these on the end of production of each science back to the bus. And so this will be also very fun. Very interesting things to do somehow. But don't now forget about that. I want to see some cards over here. Okay. And it's a really long belt. Come on. Okay. And why are you missing? Oh, different. Definitely wrong recipe on that machine. And okay, this looks like running progress. It takes some time to little bit buffer in these machines, so even those can have some of these observation frames. So maybe it will help if I do something with... Let me zoom out properly, and no, wrong button, wrong button. How much do you... yeah. One row will produce like half of this belt, so we don't need to do anything with that. And yeah, we have problem with that everything is on one side of the belt. So let me do something different, like maybe put this belt over there and then this one into that, and then maybe connect, no, one step back, one over here, and something like that. But no, this will not bring enough. How about no, actually like that, I think, more likely. Okay, this should be enough to the both part of this belt. Yeah. So we need to change this part. Give me this horrible mess. Okay. And these are not running at all. No, don't remove that. Remove only this part, thank you. I didn't saw that. Something like that. And you also can go there, why not? Do I missing one of these? Yes. And what are you missing? Visible observation frames, because... ooh. And half of the belt doing one thing and other half doing something else. This definitely not good. And because, yes, we want visible, and these should be infrared. Okay. So, thank you, autosave. We need to change this recipe over here, and then I need to clean the whole belt somewhere. Probably on the end. I hope so. So give me that. No, I want filter inserter into that box. And if you having, what is this? These are visible, so we want infrared. So you will just filter these. Okay. let's help a little bit. And if we have enough belt, I have a little bit belt in my inventory. Okay. Now we're talking. Do you have the correct recipe? You have the wrong observation frame. No? All these should working. Why not you? Because you still can reach to these. Okay, now you can, and we filter all these into that box. Okay, so and let's do some dump box over here with infrared observation frame, like so. Then the same thing with these, because I know at the end they will end up in our logi network. So, like that. Yeah, they will be eventually used for something. We have lots of these and lots of these. Now, this one. These ones. Okay. Do I have that nonsense over here? Yes. This thing. And definitely these not running at all, I am seeing. So we need to check what's happening with... These are for visible observation data. Okay, and you will go there, and let's do visible observation data frame, green ones, and these are UV. Yeah, that's the problem. So we are having visible, we are having infrared over here, right? Yeah, and we need UV over down here. So, what are these? These are UV, and okay, I never changed that recipe. Because it's hard to tell. Yeah, see, these are in the middle, these card having in the middle the spark, a little bit greenish, now it's a little bit bluish, so yeah, it's a really problematic to tell the difference by seeing the icon. Now we are talking. And with that, I think that only first row is working. Where's the problem? Yeah, problem is in the missing belts. Okay. You can be RAM, you can be a little bit RAM. Also over here. I hate trailing belts. Okay, and I hope all these doing the same recipe. UV. And you shouldn't have that recipe, you should have that recipe. Okay, and all these should running. And we are out of white cards, yeah. We are not out. We are missing the belt over there. Okay, now. All these three production are running. And then I need, yes, to bring some cooling over here. To produce the fourth ones, the fourth type, and you can be connected over here because someone was smart and bring the cool fluid right under our nose. And yes, these are also doing something awesome. They are quite fast. And then we need to deal with, yes, with the warmer thermofluid over here. I think it will be better when I do this in person. Yes. And remove that. Use one of these. And maybe one of these, yes. Save some normal pipes, put that over there, and this should connect because yes. Now we have also return loop of the yes, and everything should be forced to go back into these main storage tanks slowly. So actually we can put maybe on the end some pumps later to force more pressure back to these into these storage tanks. And why you are not running? Because you are missing the full fluid. Okay, I was afraid of something like that. Yes. Maybe too much. So what is our rates over here? This will produce what? God damn it, Bites. This will produce like 1000 cool thermofluid. And this hypercooler build actually can take twice as much. Which is okay because I am counting with better recipe for these. Which can be twice, or actually with better radiators in the future, which can provide twice as much. So then this will be 1-to-1 ratio. Also we can eventually use some beacons over here. But main issue I think right now will be we don't have enough the normal thermofluid in the system. Yes, in these pipes we don't have much, mostly because we have not enough over here and we are missing sulfur. Why we are missing sulfur? Because we are missing, surprise petroleum gas. Okay, so these don't work at all. Actually this is working, and yes, maybe I should do some balancing between these two now when I'm thinking about that. So can I, no, you need to go up, and let's use this pipe. Oh, these are too long. 7 tails long pipes, like so, like that, and the second one over there, and just connect these two by, so we can do lots of these pipes between, and then over here. This should go up, yes, because right now we are drawing, we are using only from the left storage, and we have lots of that thermofluid in these, so we need to balancing, and you definitely need to move I don't know, over here. Later we can also use some smart pumps between or something like that, but right now I will just balance these two by pipes. Now we have relatively enough. Yeah. And we are using the first pipe to return, which is this storage, and we should have more over here. And I am seeing these radiators slowly start to running. And you are missing a recipe. Also this one. Really? Anywhere else? I see all having the correct recipe, so hopefully this should go slowly up. Come on. Okay. Now, why we don't have enough? Really? What? Okay. So, where is my petroleum gas? I have pipes over here, through here, through here. These are full of petroleum gas. Full. Full. And not full. What? Oh. Someone just did the small boo-boo. Okay, this should help. Come on, place that pipe over there. Yeah, it eventually fixes itself. Actually, robot will fix that. So let's go on the end of this production line. We have supply of cool thermofluid, some sort of, yes. We have output of warm thermofluid. Now we can build some supercomputer setup. I don't need these in my inventory. These or these rockets. Too much of these, and I still requesting these. Okay, my bad. I don't need that blueprint. Don't know how end up in my inventory. I don't need these. And do I have some supercomputer? I don't see any. Yeah, I see these 12. Okay, my bad. Now, supercomputers. So, like that, two of these, with some pipes. From here to there, from here to there. We have enough space to use these pipes at maximum distance, so why not? And if I change this quick bar to this one, I can easily use these pipes. God damn it. GK. Put that over there, then from astronomical catalog, yes. First I need this recipe on them, and some speed modules, and one substation in the middle, because I like substations. Now, how much you will process? 0.36 or 360. And how much these four actually produce? Because these three producing something like 5.2, but these eating something, using from all these three productions. So if we use our max calculator on all four, production, we will have some beautiful numbers. And I am seeing that we are producing 5.2 from all of these. But we are using this 1.7 to produce these ones. So actually, if we remove from 5.2 1.7, we get something like 3.5. Yes. So the rate actually will be 3.5. And because these two can handle 0.36, let's just put 10 of these, and this will do us, I think. Okay. It will be some sort of okay-ish rate. And then I need some loaders? No, I definitely don't. Yes, because if we are using loaders, but I really like to have some transport belts. Where's my transport belts? Where's my supply rocket? Where's everyone? And do we really hear or not? It's everything's real or just imagination of some flying spaghetti monster? Who knows? Okay, we have 3K in that rocket, and yes, I will unload these actually because I load the satellite telemetry into that rocket for some reasons, and then I send that through this rocket, and you know, and you are full. Mostly you are full, so let me launch you manually and return to doing this thing. So we will need two belts, one belt, second belt, and one loader, one inserter over here, and load hand inserter over here and over here. You will output only astronomical catalog, which is awesome, and you will unload these on, and I think on that side. I don't know why I want to do that, but maybe someone could say use the loaders, and particularly in this case I don't want to use loaders, because if you use loaders, the first computer will be buffer like 200 each of these cards, then everything will move to the next one and so on, and at the end of this scenario you can end up, if you have some production problems, that this first one will be only one who will produce everything, and you want to more disperse these cards through this belt. So it's better to use inserters to not buffer most of your production into the one machine, or first two ones, or first two, or something like that. Okay, so if we have this, and we move that somewhere like actually here, why not? How far over here? I don't care. And then we will produce these catalogs. Really? Human robots? I have these in my inventory, I bet. No? Where they are? Okay, let's request these computers. Computers over here, 15, it's a good number. We have 47 in stock, awesome. Now, so we are having these. How I could... no. I could do something like that, maybe, I don't know. A little bit far. Okay, if I use this from here to there and do the same thing on the other side, then I will bring that belt over here, feed this computer through inserter, and okay, let's squish this little bit together. I really hate that many empty space over there, also over here. Okay, this is one tile, this is two tiles. It's I can accept that. Like that, now. And also let's put this over here. And this over here. Like that. Copy this thing over here. Now, you will do some astronomical insight. And for that, you need only astronomical catalog and be cool. Okay, be cooled by some thermofluid, and you will produce astronomical insight and bring the card back. At least part of these. And you give us how much? 0.20. Okay, and how much you will give us? We don't know, but we presume 3.6, so we will have 7.2 of these astronomical insights. What happening then there? Okay, let me check. God damn it, these attacks are bigger and bigger. Really? I can use that from... No. Maybe if I can use that. So let's say hello there. And let's say hello there. Also, this part is on its way, which is awesome. Maybe one more here. And definitely to this village. Anywhere else, maybe here. Let's send 2 gifts to there and one over here. Okay. And you can hide. Okay. And I didn't forget about you too. Okay. Yes. God damn it, Behemoth Spitters. Okay. And we can go back over here. So, as I said, let's copy this thing and place it 10 times in a row. And tomorrow. God damn it. We are out of platforms. So let me move this a little bit back. Like over here for now. Okay. And the last 2. And put the pipe over there. And wait a second. I will need some output valve, right? And some outputs. Now I don't know what will be outputted from that building. And yes, we need astronomical insight and black data cards. So okay, let's do the normal output over here and over here. We'll leave this like that, and deal with that on the end of this. How much of this I should put with that space, and I forget about power in the between these. No, you will output 0.4. Okay. I forget one important thing. God damn it. Speed modules. Now 3.6 from 3.6. So it will be the same amount over here, like in the first case of these. Okay, I like that. Right, like that. Connect everything and connect everything over here. And if we take this to there, we will hook up all that together. What else? Yes, now, when we're having these astronomical inside, we can finally do astronomical simulation over here. So let's take one of these, a little bit down. This will be our cool fluid, this will be our warm fluid, somewhere like here. Do the astronomical simulation, and if I give you 1.2 each seconds, and I actually can produce 3.6. So okay, we need 3 of these. Or okay, 80%. So 2 of these will have how much? 2.4. Let's forget about speed modules because the rate is great with that, and we will have actually 0. Everything should run flat out right now. Yeah, it's a little bit more of astronomical catalog, and we are missing some of astronomical insight at the end, but yeah, it's a closer to 0. And with that we can do. God damn it! Okay. No, this button. You need these insights. So one more time. Let's do this belt on the opposite direction. And move these a little bit down, because I am seeing the problem of the spacing. Over here, go down, and over here. Loaders. Loader, no, loader. Actually, inserter, sorry. Inserter, cancel that, and place one over here, which is more than good. And connect. Do we have that pipe over there? Yes, I hope so. And connect these to the... Connect the cool thermofluid into these machines now. And this will output some of these and these. And We are in this step, so we have significant data and lots of blank cards. So how much you will be outputting? Not much. Okay. Over here, and actually this will provide 0.4 each second, which is like 24 per minute. And I think we need to put the substation over there instead. This, then give me part of these pipes like that. No. We have yellow. We are having yellow cards. We are having. This will also provide some. Yeah. Oh, these are astronomical inside there. These having the wrong. No. No. It's correct. We need to filter on the end from this belt and from this belt. So. Actually, no, over here. Okay. Let me remove that. You will end up over there. And then now, to produce the final result, we need the yellow ones, astronomic inside, astronomic. Ooh. Ooh. This is quite complicated. So, I will put one of these over here with that request recipe over. And actually I could move you one tile back, I think. So hook up the... No. Cool fluid over there. Output the warmer fluid from here. And then I need to bring you 3 things. First, second... Okay. We will have some of these over here. Yeah, you don't need to be there. So I need to borrow... And then find the proper place for that. Actually, I should do it over here. Borrow these. Okay, this can be a little bit complicated. And maybe not over there. I don't like the placement. It's too much wiggly wobbly. Let's do it after this first computer because it's okay. And yes, it will not jump over there. I know it. Never mind. Let's do it like that. Over here. And together with this one, we can have something to feed. Actually, I really want straight line over here. I hate to do the wiggly wobbly. I rather put some more underground than do this. Now, and you will be feeded into that machine. And from here you will receive some yellow cards. Okay, then I will put one one box over here with some very lonely inserter to output. Okay. The astronomic. Okay. So two boxes with two of these. And first will output the astronomical insides. Second one will output. What is this? Junk data card. Junk data card into this box. And yes. Okay, let's put that over there. I don't care. Now, you can be there. You need to be here or there. You know what? I have enough of these. And did I forget anything else? I don't think so. And actually, I am hope that I didn't forget anything. Now I can bring the cool thermofluid over here and do something with it in terms of connecting not this one but this part. Actually, first, let's do first this. No, I don't need that. I need actually just clear all that. Yes. Now, first belt over here, second belt over there, will go into that and into that. So these go from that side and these go from this side over there, and then the same thing over here into that side and to this side, and I remove that. Oh, and we are doing something right now. But I need to connect this pipe over here. So let me do it like that. Everything having the cool thermofluid. Now we need to output this one somewhere else. And conveniently we have this pipe over here. And then I can apply the same thing on this side. Like that, and into the output. And it looks like it's working mostly. And I don't know. Oh, my bad. I knew I forgot something. I need to filter these on the other right. So like that. Give me that insight. And then the same thing needs to be done over here. And yes. See, I forget about that. But it's quick fix to do it like that. Then you do some returns over here. And now I need to find the best way how to connect this back to the return loop, which is over here. And I'm thinking about using this space between these pipes. Okay. I need to use some of that, and together with the return of the the warm thermofluid, we can return these like that and connect into that. I find some underground. And over here, it's everything okay. Okay. And where's the return belt? Over here. Into that belt. Which need to be connected. God damn it. Stupid biters. Over there, but return. Actually on the side into that loader, and over there, back, and I think there are two belts over here and over there. No, one tile above. And return. So this will return the white card on the beginning of this bus and stop the production of these. Okay. Maybe you are saying, why are you doing that complicated? You can do it right over here. But I have experienced it if I don't do that like this. Some production will have lots of these white cards, some will have none. So you need to always take from bus and return to the bus. And the bus needs to do some cycle with these cards through the whole base to actually really properly distribute these cards everywhere. Now, where are you? Okay, I need to do that. And you should have enough of these. And if I clean this belt, okay, you are having lots of insights, but you don't have, oh, like that. Surprise, surprise, I bet we will have soon some Astronomic Science Pack, finally. Awesome. And how quickly you will run. And now we need to do the final tuning of these. If it's rising, it's too slow. If I put one speed modules, yeah, we are limited mostly with the yellow cards. These will take some time. So actually we don't need that speed modules. Yeah, and the production, it's not that quick as you imagine or as I want, but you know, everything this only for 0.4 of these yellow cards to produce like 24 of these per minute or something like that. Yeah. And also everything here is fine. We have lots of these everywhere. Actually, we can run this for a while, and then maybe a little bit. Okay, let's put you there. Let's put this over there. And after a while, we should see what can catch up and what's doing so overproduction. Right now, I am seeing we are not able to process all these quickly. So maybe we could do, even though if I do this, we have 0 rate. I don't know why. I put speed modulus everywhere, so maybe it's just buffered or something like that. I don't know. I need to leave this to run for a while, then return to that and try to figure out what's the problem. Also, I'm seeing these are not doing anything because we are missing the bottom ones. See? Now there is problem. Okay, and why? What are you missing? You have too much warm thermofluid. Okie That's really a problem. You have full pipes, full pipes, full pipes, so soon everything stops running. Yeah, and this is like the story of this mod. We don't have much of these, we have lots of these, so maybe it will be better idea to hook everything into that pipe. And that's the reason why I bring the separated small bus over here, because I knew that something like that could happen. So I will hook up you there and then connect these together. This is helping, really helping. Yeah. We need that. And together with that, I will cut off this pipe from here because this needs to be available only for the cooling system, like that. Even then, we have lots of okay, so okay, we finally did, and we need definitely these two. You see thermal radiation efficiency and thermal radiators. So I will put this research into the queue. What else? Everything what is using rocket science or something like that. I don't know. And aeroflame ball, we can have these. And maybe some rocket cargo safety and rocket usability and so on. Why not? Maybe one zone discovery. It's take only 12. Okay. And I should end this episode really soon because we already hit the hour. And see, these are not running fully because we have problem with lots of things. We have 58 of these. Let me clear or that. No, you can go there, you can go there, you can go there, and you can go there. Even though we have trash boxes somewhere, I bet. Not for these, but for these definitely. This is mostly running. This is having problem. You don't have enough cool thermofluid. Yeah, we need to first produce twice as much of these minus 10K, minus 10 Celsius to produce enough of this cooler one. Okay. Let me go back to our science. And also, don't forget, we need to start doing some data formatting somewhere, because now we are producing these junk cards. And that will be task for the next episode, I think. And so, we can request these. And we already done 70. Okay, it's not much, but... no, definitely not this one, definitely not this one. 10, 8, all of these we can do, and then we need to do 500 and 500. Okay, so we again restart our research, at least for X-ray telescope. Nice icons, a nice picture. Or this one, space probe rocket silo. And it looks really alien. Yeah, alienish or something like that. The plague. Oh, okay, some future weapons. Come on, robots, bring me my space science. We need to stabilize, leave this stabilized, but now I'm seeing the problem with cooling. And it's because we don't have enough of cool thermofluid, so we don't produce enough very cold thermofluid. So these not running, they are running from 1/3 or something like that. Actually, these are not running at all. Awesome. So after we use this part of cards, we are mostly done. And I'm seeing some trailing space over there. God damn it. Okay. Okay, so we have lots of work to do in the next episode. We need to recycle these data, actually format these junk data cards, and these will provide some. Where is it? No, I am totally blind. Where is it? I want to see some broken cards, you know. And these cards, yeah. See, they provide some broken data card and give us back lots of blank data cards. So we need to do recycle of these, respectively formatting, and also check if we are recycling broken data cards, because I bet I don't do that. I put this one machine to recycle these space capsules, because we can have some normal solar panels from that, so we don't need to send these up here. And we still didn't do anything with these, but okay. Now you can hear our research is running. Okay, it's great. So we need to put some formatting behind the production, somewhere like here, and hook up with this belt. Actually, we can hook up to the second belt down there and put some recycling of these broken data cards, because they will be recycled to scratch. Yes, scratch on this bus. Maybe we can do like 4 of these over here, and maybe I will leave up to robots to bring them here, because we don't produce many of these right now. But right now they are going straight into our storage, which is bad. And maybe a little bit tune up this build I hope. Okay. So with that, I will thank you for your patience, and also thank you for that you are watching my series, and see ya in the next one. Bye.